Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you my perfume haul. So let's start with the Versace bright one. I fell in love with this for smelling it from samples. So let's look here, and this is what it looks like. I think this is 1 ounce, but it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. Then this also came with a body lotion and a bath and shower gel. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I just fell in love with that from just smelling it in the magazines. Alright, so let's start off with this here. And this is the I think by Alfredo song. Now this smells really good. I've tried it, but it's just not for me. So I'm sad to say that this little man will not be staying in my collection. I'll probably give it to my mother. Alright, so let's start with the Prada candy. Now, once upon a time, I smelled this in the magazine. It smelled good. So then I got another magazine a few months later, and I smelled it and I didn't like it. So then I got a sample of it and I sprayed it, and it smelled really great. So I bought it, and I paid, I think it was $79 or $85 for it. I would have sent it back, except for the way that the shipping label was put up. You have to pay for the shipping to get that, and then you have to wait for them to get it. And a lot of people were complaining that they still hadn't been getting their store credit or their money back on their credit cards. So I said, okay, I'll keep it and give it to my niece, Aerin A. I call her Aerin A, but her name is Aerin A. So Aerin A will be receiving that. Alright, so the Gucci, I'm still up in arms about it. I've only tried it once, and it smells good. It just doesn't have lasting power. And I think I spent 100, and because this is a 3.3 ounce, so I think I spent 135 for it. Oh well. Smells good though. So let's go with this Dolce & Gabbana light blue. Smells really good. Oh, it smells so good. But that Versace is still up in my nose. Oh my goodness, the Versace smells so good. So that's what that is. So then you seen this one in my birthday haul. No, I mean my haul from Sephora. And this one is the Joe Malone. And let's see what this says. English plump pear and something. I got glasses on, I still can't see that good. Alright, so let's go with the Yves Saint Laurent, which you also seen in my Sephora haul. And this one ran me $79, I think it was. It's either $70, $79, somewhere up in there. Alright, so I picked up some Coach perfume. And this one ran me $89. Guess it depends on where you shop, but mine's ran me $89. So you also seen this in my Sephora haul, and this is the Chanel Mademoiselle, and this here, like I said, ran me $70. So like I told you guys, I was throwing away some money because I wanted to feel what it felt like to spend $1,000 on myself. I spend money for everyone else, why not for myself? My credit card stuck a big ding in it. Alright, so this is the Aerin, and this is the one where it's the even rose. And this one ran me $135. So let's look at the Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. Now I know this one ran me $135, I do believe. Might have been a little bit more. Okay, so I also got the Tiffany and Company. As you can see, it's two different boxes, two different smells. And let me see what this one is. I can't see at the bottom. But I think this one was the $80 one. Because I bought one for 80 and one for 90. Why the price went up, I'll never know. Alright. So this is, I think, the $90 one. Can't be sure. Like I said, one costed 80, one costed 90. And this is both from Tiffany and Company. Alright. So this is the Mason one. Replica of, what is the name of this? Springtime in a Park. That's what it says. Springtime in a Park. Alright, so then you seen this one in the Sephora haul also, and this is Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. This one was $100. Right? So this one you also saw in the Sephora haul, and this is the Atelier cologne, and this was the California one, and this is unisex. I forgot to say that in Sephora. It is unisex, and it smells so good. Real good. Alright, so that's the end of that haul for the perfume. Depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Thank you.